Hey guys! It's me, Raymond. Are you ready for the most awesome bath time adventure ever? Let's go! First, we need to get ready for our super clean quest. Pretend you're a brave hero getting ready to fight the dirt monsters. Now, it's time to jump into the magical bubble bath. Splash around and have fun, but remember to scrub everywhere to defeat those pesky dirt monsters. Okay, now that we're all sudsy and clean, it's time for the next part of our adventure. We're gonna wash our faces like we're putting on a magical mask. Now rinse it off and feel how soft your skin is. You did it! Your face is glowing like a superhero's. Now for the final challenge of our clean adventure, brushing our teeth. Grab your toothbrush, it's your super smile wand. Put a little bit of toothpaste on it and let's brush away all the cavity monsters. Move your brush up and down, side to side, and don't forget the back teeth. Brush for 2 whole minutes to make sure your smile is extra strong and shiny. You're doing great. And guess what? You've completed the whole clean adventure. You're like a super clean hero now. Remember, every time you take a bath, wash your face and brush your teeth, you're going on this awesome adventure again. Isn't that so cool?